Hello, Hardware here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on your phone. So, all you want to do is go to the settings, go to the search bar, type hide apps. Here we get hide apps. We get here hide apps. Here you can enter your password and you can set here password also. Here we got the apps that we can hide. I want to hide REALME and Ampere. And here we got what we have hidden. Here are the settings, like access method. Here we can have the on the home screen, or here you have the quick video how to set it when you go to your phone and just type your password. And customize home screen. I got my customize, hard reset and crown. You can here change everything. Save. Go here and unlock methods. You can here set a password, change password, here everything like here, and fingerprint and face. They show you how this work. Here we got our app, hidden apps, and here we got REALME and Ampere, privacy safe. And here are the files. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and bye.